Hi dears, observe this question. He has given the two matrices. What is our first matrix? P. P is given as, come on, 2, 3, 7 and 4, 1, 5. This is first matrix. Then what we need to find? Of course, we'll have one more matrix, that is what? Q. Q is given as, come on, Q is given as 8, 11, 9, 2, 6, 13. These are the given matrices, right? So, but actually what we need to find? We need to find P transpose of Q. That's it. P transpose of Q. So, we need to multiply P transpose and as well as Q. Okay, fine. No change in Q, but we need to find the P transpose value, right? What do you mean by transpose? Very simple thought, don't confuse. Transpose is nothing but we need to change rows into columns. We need to interchange, that's it. Rows should be columns. That's it. Come again. So rows should be columns. That is called transpose. What is P transpose? Come on. What is P transpose? P transpose is nothing but, be careful. P transpose is nothing but, come on. So we need to interchange the columns and rows. That's it. 2, 3, 7 can be written as what? 2, 3, 7. And after that, second row can be second column. 4, 1, 4. Be careful. 4, 1 and as well as 5. That's it. So rows can be, first row can be first column, second row can be second column. This is called transpose. Good. Then what is the order of this matrix? I want the order of the matrix. Order of this matrix will be, how many rows are there? Rows will be horizontal. Columns means vertical. Horizontal will have 3. 3 rows and as well as next 2 columns. So this is 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, we got P transpose as what? 3 by 2 matrix. P transpose is nothing but 3 by 2 matrix. But what we need to find actually? P transpose into Q, right? So we need to find P transpose into Q. Okay, we can write P transpose here. What is P transpose? Come on. P transpose into Q I need to find. Yes or no? P transpose is nothing but, come on. P transpose is nothing but 2, 3, 7. Next 4, 1, 5. And after that we need to multiply with the Q, right? What is Q value here? Be careful. Don't go for the general procedures. Directly we can find the answers for sure. 8, 11, 9. Next one is what? 2, 6, 13. So actually what we need to find? Of course it can be P transpose value. There is another issue. But I need to find P transpose into Q. That's it. Very simple. Fine. Actually we need to observe the options here. First of all, what is the rule of multiplication of matrix? If you know the basic rules, very easy to find the answers. Don't do just like kids. Okay, how can you do this one? First of all, go for the order here. What is the order we have? So 3 rows and 2 columns. This is the order of P transpose. Then what about the order of Q transpose? Q transpose can be 2 rows, 3 columns. So logically 2 by 3. So the rule of multiplication of a matrix is here. First of all, for your comfort, RC, of course, Royal Challenge. So RC cricket team will be there, right? Better to remember like that, okay? So RC. But while you are multiplying, always we need to understand one basic concept. First matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. Come on. First matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. Then only it is possible to multiply the matrix. This is a basic idea, don't confuse. Of course, here first matrix row can be, column can be 2. The same way here, second matrix row can be 2. Yes, they are equal, right? Then what can be the output? The output can be RC. RC means what? Rows into columns. Logically 3 by 3. Yes, our order can be, in our output, our order can be 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. While multiplying P transpose and Q, so first matrix column and second matrix row should be equal. Yes, it is possible now. But getting out, what is the output we are getting? Simple. We need to go for first matrix rows and second matrix columns. RC. That's it. Simple story. Inside value should be matched, outside value should be output. Simple concept, right? Okay, logically 3 by 3 is our answer. But logically, according to the given options, C and D will be eliminated. Why? Because 2 by 2 order. That's why we can eliminate C and D. Don't do like kids. C and D is eliminated. Only one option is, of course, two remaining options are 3 by 3 matrix, right? The order can be 3 by 3. But how can you find the exact answer directly? Just you do only the subject story, but need not to go for the general calculation. Directly I can find the answer here for sure. How? Observe it clearly, don't confuse. First of all, we need to understand the given matrix. Options. Option A, 64, 36, 116. Option B, 64, 46, 70. If I go for the first row of two matrix, A and B, so directly you can go for second element. In every matrix, first of all, matrix A, 64 is the first row and first column. Then what about B? It is also 64, right? Both are matching. That's why where they can be different at second element, right? Second element. And second element we need to understand. First matrix will have 36, second matrix will have 46. That's why better to go for second element directly. How can you find the second element directly? Very simple, observe it. To find the output as 3 by 3, first of all, we need to go for row and C concept. Row and C concept. Just like 7. Row and first column should be multiplied. First row and first column. First row and second column. First row and third column. This is the rule. First row and all columns. After getting one row, we can go for second. Second row, all columns. That is called second row output. Second row output. Okay, don't confuse. It's very easy and important. Observe it now. Be careful. Focus on it. For an example, if I go for A, B, C, E, F, G, K, L, M. This is a matrix we have. So we need to multiply this matrix for your comfort only. For your comfort only. A, B, C, not A, B, C. Let's say J, K, L. Already we have J, K, L, right? For our order, okay, we have order 3, right? So no problem. No problem now. Yes. 3 by 2 order is there. Now I need to go for next one is what? 2 by 3 order, right? It can be X, Y, Z. Next, let's take any number X, Y, Z. After that, we can go for L, M, already is there, right? Next, P, Q, R. So, what is order of this matrix? 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. First of all, we need to go for first row A into X. After that, B into Y, P, B into Pi, A into X, B into P, row and column. Then what about, that can be the first element of a matrix, first element. This can be the first element. Then what about second element? Second row, second element is important. Again first row, second column. Okay, then only I can get second element. How to get third element? Same, first row and third column. Always remember one thing. Row, if I want to get first row elements in output, first row elements in output, I need to choose first matrix row and all columns. That is called first row. What about second row? First matrix, second row and all columns of second matrix. Then we can get second row of output. This is the basic idea. That's why I need to search for only the second, not second row, yes. First row, second column value. First row, second column value. I need to get first row, second column value means what? I need to choose first row only, but I want second column value. That's why this first row and second column should be multiplied. First row and second column should be multiplied. That's it. According to that answer, you can select the option. That's it. Need not to do in a general way. Fine, we can do. 2 11s are 22. Come on. 2 11s are 22. I'm getting 22. Don't confuse. I'm getting output now. 2 11s are 22. Here, what is the output we have? Second element only. First row, second element. That's it. 2 11s are 22. Come on, 22. Next, 4 6 are 24. 22 plus 24 can be 46. That's it. The best option is what? B. Yes, B. First row, first element 64. Second row, first row, second element is 46. Only we are getting 46 as answer. That's why option B. So make it simple. Don't make it as complicated. Don't go for the general calculations. The calculation part will be like this. First row, column, next element. Second row, first row, second column, next element. First row, third column. This is a basic concept, right? That's why directly we can find the answer in fraction of seconds. Don't waste your valuable time. I think you got the point, right? First row, first column will be first element of output. First row, second column will be second element of first row. Clear cut story, right? Anyway, now we can go for the next question.